Plants can actually hear the buzz of bees and ramp up their nectar production in response, creating a fascinating symbiotic relationship rooted in sound. It's as if the flowers are eavesdropping, tuning into the frequency of buzzing bees like a nature DJ to lure their pollinators with sweeter rewards. This incredible acoustic adaptation showcases nature's ingenuity, where sound waves trigger a biological response, enhancing the plant's reproductive success. When bees approach, the flower's petals vibrate ever so slightly, signaling the plant to produce more nectar. This mutually beneficial relationship highlights a hidden world where plants are active participants, not just passive scenery. As the buzz of busy bees echoes through gardens, a silent conversation unfolds, illustrating a dynamic interplay that blurs the line between plant and animal kingdoms, revealing the unexpected ways life on Earth is interconnected.